All right, guys, it is BDX maiden time. Really looking forward to putting the first flight on this aircraft. Last week I flew the smaller BDX, the BDX-S, and it was an absolute breeze, easy flyer, great flyer. I suspect this one's going to be very much the same, so we'll see how it goes. We're not going to do any voiceover during the maiden flight, but if I have anything that I want to show during the maiden flight, I'll just list it on the bottom of the screen. So let's fire up the BDX from Elite Aerosports and get this first flight underway. All right, so half flaps, we're good to go. shifted, so I'm just going to lock down a bit more.
Okay.
All right, so Maiden done on the BDX. What a breeze to fly. Before we took it off, I was just thinking maybe I'll put a little bit of nose weight in just because, and we can probably take the nose weight out, but I'm glad that I put it in there. So I just put a little bit right there and stuck it on the side. So I suspect that'll come out over time, but totally good the way it is. It was a gentle giant. So I don't remember specifically, but hardly any trim at all. Basically, I think maybe one click of aileron trim, but it was almost nothing. And just a breeze to fly. Such a nice flyer. Very much looking forward to having mine here in the shop and getting to put a bunch of flights on it this year. At our elevation, so we're at 3,300 feet above sea level, the 240 that's in here is awesome. It's a great fit for this aircraft at our elevation because we get about a 15-20% reduction in thrust. So everything went very well with it. We flew for about 7 minutes. You can see a little bit of air in the UAT, which is perfect. And our fuel tank, we're about half. We used about half a tank there, so it's just at the bung line, which is awesome. So I didn't fly it hard at all because it's the Maiden, of course, but it was great. Now we left the lights off for the Maiden flight. I wanted as little variables as possible, but this wing leading edge light works perfect. That one, there's a connection issue or something going on with that guy, so we're gonna have to check it out. But otherwise, all the other lights from Skycandy were amazing and such a cool addition to this aircraft.